Starting a YouTube channel can seem overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your channel up and running. Let's dive into the 5 easy steps. First things first, head over to youtube.com and sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to create. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. You'll be asked to choose between a personal account or a brand account. Go for a brand account if you plan to build a serious presence. Next up, the name. This is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Choose something that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Don't stress too much though, you can change it later, but for now keep it short, clear, and unique. Now it's time to give your channel some personality. Go to the Customize Channels section and add a profile picture and banner image. These visuals are your first impression, so make them count. Don't forget to add a short but catchy channel description. This tells viewers what your channel is all about, and add a video watermark that will appear on your videos in the right-hand corner of the video player. Once your channel looks good, it's time to upload your first video. Click the camera icon at the top, choose Upload Video, and follow the prompts. Make sure your title is clear and searchable, your thumbnail is eye-catching, and your description includes relevant keywords to help people find your video. Before you celebrate, don't skip this step. Go into YouTube Studio and set up your channel settings. This includes enabling comments, adding your channel tags, and customizing your About page. You can click here to find the channel's About page. The About page will have the channel's description, important external links and social media, email for inquiries, and channel stats like join date and total views. And there you have it. Your YouTube channel is officially live. Now it's time to start creating. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more quick and easy YouTube tips. Watch this next video to learn how to pick your perfect YouTube channel name. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.